Y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is DJ Shaï Shaï. No! We need to go! We need to go! look where we at. Jade, I started a video. She said, yo, what she lit? What if I was? Yo, there's too many niggas for my liking. What's going on out here? You want to smoke?
Yeah.
Light it though, here. Period. So we out here. I am back for you, Ben. But I'm actually low-key playing music, so I'm gonna be back here. I just want to start the intro, you know what I'm saying? Hot little boy. Anything you could think about, bitch, I'm that. Like, South Brown. So we lit as fuck. We just left the old port because everyone was leaving and we were trying to go kind of move. Croquette? She's talking about 10 croquette. Oh! 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 Oh, what the hell? Fire boom boom! She lives here?
Yeah.
Period.
Okay, so we're going to. Okay, let me check the map.
I have to pee.
Again?
She always has to pee.
I'll kill myself.
Testimony
Yo,
at
it's
me.
an 11-minute walk. Should we walk?
Honestly,
It's literally a straight 10-minute walk.
what's the Addy? If you could smoke your spliff, must
Yeah, I have a split, but it's a 178.
we could walk. I really don't mind. It's like the distance to my house to Terminus, so.
Me and you, I'm really gonna box you straight in your fucking
It's like
head.
going to.
Ooh, me too. Becky,
Okay, so
no, let's call him Donald.
I have the Addy too, so I'm gonna keep on calling you.
I need to tie my hair. Stop, Brown, take hold it. Okay, but you hold your bag. You said 5
let me
minutes.
just tie my hair.
It's been 20.
Oh wait, say what's up.
What's up?
What's Gucci?
We outside, bitch.
We outside. Wait, where's my scrunchie?
Everyone's staring at me like I'm a retard.
Moi, je suis
Should I go on live?
Yeah, let's talk to people.
Wait, it's even in my life. It's not even in my life.
We're gonna die! Yeah, I did this I think 2 times my whole life now. Okay, take your bag, take your phone. Where are my shoes outside?
This girl said my shoes outside.
I'm actually so lit, it's ridiculous. I should have never smoked that spliff. Right? That weed is the THC bomb.
Never.
That's what it's called.
Take your fucking bag. Wait, hold
Ooh, child, my hair's tan. I feel like a brand new bitch.
on. I feel like a bitch that's gonna
Oh my god.
I feel like a bitch that's gonna do some
Okay, y'all
problems
need to come for the
tonight.
thumbnail. Hold on.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
well, that's what it's giving.
That's what's giving. That's what we getting. Period.
It's
You take a sip. Hold on. Pass. I need to take a sip.
It's not supposed to be given.
Stop Brown, hold this.
Taking a shot.
Shaïlah, you can put it right here.
Oh, or there. Okay, 1, 2. Now it's recording you, dummy.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Shaï Shaï. Ooh, okay. I thought it was a
We
pom-pom.
outside.
Je vais prendre un
And
gorgée
there's
de mon
Janu.
coco.
She's on live. And there's Shaïlah acting British.
People not here yet.
Wait, and there's me.
Yeah.
Hold on. No, you're wearing a white shirt. You're wearing a white shirt, bitch.
Say hi.
You say hi.
Yo, Pum Pum say hi.
Who's drinking that? Here. My pum pum see hello, hello. You wanna? Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Oh, we outside, bitch.
We're on the way to a party.
After party.
Party.
A party shot.
What a party I look so.
What a party I look
Okay, can we walk?
Yeah.
Bon time that we got
Why
Yo.
are you with? Okay, no.
No, he needs to leave us alone with his light skin self. We about dark skin niggas over here.
Yeah.
We about dark skins. Yeah, don't say no names. To anybody, no, but I'm saying anybody. Don't say no names.
Say no names.
This is my business. You came to see me this Monday, so.
Ah! Wait, hold on.
Don't say his name.
I'll delete it. Wait, we need to put a fucking address. We're here walking. We're taking advantage of the freedom.
It's straight. It's straight.
Oh, true, we're walking. a nice, beautiful car, baby. Yo, Safa, yo. You didn't hear me? I'm like, give me a motherfucking ride. No, for real. You guys want to give us a ride up the street? Yeah, yo, come. We getting a ride. Yeah. We're going to move too. It's at Old Port somewhere. I'm so dead. I caught this on some shit.
There's no room for...
No, like his room. Oh my God! What's your face? Sava? Yeah. Okay, so wait, put the ID so we can see where it is.
Okay, hold on. I'm just move.
Speak your shit, bitch.
But wait, they were going to that nigga move?
The one that we see on New Year's that had the nerve to say that I was trying him up and he was bagging me.
Hell no.
Like,
anyways, let's not talk about him and his little ass
please.
dick. He may have money, but his dick little. That's a fact. Hello?
Look how boring them.
Talk about get mama.
I will fuck the police. Get mama, get papa, get nana. Get nana. Get papa, get ton mama, get ton grand-maman, ton grand-papa. Get ton petite pute. Get nana. Go suck your mother.
Get my cat.
Go suck your mother's butthole. Yo, we outside. Sorry, Raldo, walking to the I'm too lit for this. I'm too waste. Jane, where you going?
Are we going straight?
But why are you going this way?
Okay, but wait.
We did a U-turn just now.
No, because we were walking there, but we just, because it's fucking...
But
Shaïlah, don't let me speak.
I want to know.
well, I'm trying to understand where the fuck we're going. Oh my God. No, sorry.
Sorry.
Have a great night. He's shirtless.
Okay,
He's like, can you help me? I helped too much people
why are we in
tonight.
here?
Jane!
No, walk straight right there.
I don't know what it's been bringing us, but Mwana.
Acting like we ain't just walking to get, oh no, yeah.
She did, Baba.
Like at this point, I'm about to...
That's gonna be the fucking thumbnail.
Okay,
Oh, my shoelaces are
I don't know what I look like.
I look like a fucking camel's toe right now. Check Mwana view. Jeez. Jeez, there's actually people watching? We out motherfucking side. We out motherfucking side.
Invited. We're on our way to that place right now.
We're on our way to that place right now.
Like less than 10 minutes.
10 minutes? You said it's an 11-minute walk. We've been walking.
That's why I said less than 10 minutes.
It's a straight walk all the way.
No, you said 11-minute walk. She's trying to change her
Is it
words.
a straight walk all the way?
I said it was a 10-minute walk, yes.
You said 11.
11. Okay, I'm so sorry,
Look at
Shaïlah.
that.
11 minutes. And then I was like,
But now you said it's a 10-minute. We've been
no,
walking.
I said less than 10 minutes, bitch.
Fuck both y'all.
Okay, so we're almost there?
Yes.
How was Eddie?
Hold on, let me mute because I don't want to say it out loud.
Just
something.
Charlotte.
Charlotte. I'm just a Charlotte.
I can't believe this nigga's there and he's telling us to come over.
We
I
outside.
have to pee when we get there.
You always have to pee, bitch.
Yeah, what's happening?
Ooh, I don't like elevators. I like the wall though. It's cute. We motherfucking outside. Yeah, this is one. Here. I hear people. Hold on, I need some perfume. Hold this. Want some? Oh, I need some lip gloss. What's up? Oh shit. Here. Did you hear us? Oh shit. She said he did not look like what he looked like on Snap. Zainu, does he look like what he looked like on Snap?
What nigga?
Your friend. Do you ever meet
But
him?
I've seen him already.
Oh, okay.
I knew what he looked like.
I thought it was the first time you met him.
No.
But guys, we're about to go to the next movie.
Okay, how are we getting there?
One
I'm
minute.
gonna call it Uber. Hopefully it answers. But
She said, I'll cry. This 6 minutes away.
if not, we'll call it Uber and taxi.
This bag's heavy.
How long ago did he send you the idea?
Why is this man barefoot?
How long ago did he send you the idea? Why would you put no one's there?
Yeah, like
We're gonna be there.
Huh?
You said 10:50 people, so.
How long ago? It's almost 3 a.m.
Like an hour ago. The time that we took to walk here and all that shit, an hour.
That's not that long.
My hair is puffy. My hair was so straight. Why is he barefoot?
No, because I've been walking and he's been here.
Y'all, it's currently 3:06, I think.
And we're annoyed as fuck.
We're lit.
We had
I'm
zero
lit.
fun.
If this party is not lit, I'm going
I had
straight
more
to
fun
Montreal.
on my way to places.
Yo.
Yo. And at the old port, low key, it was fun. There was a lot of people to
Imagine
look
we
at.
get there, everybody's sleeping. I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna
wake
wake
up.
everybody up, right? Yo, la pupu y la ba. We're in the Chinatown. Ooh. There's 2 popos. Go suck your mother. It's not we could duck from them because we passed curfew. They come behind us.
The rest is like Shaïlah make.
I'll die.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You, I be like, oh.
No, especially with this mask, I can't breathe. No,
Yeah,
she
I'm holding
did
it in my
not.
hand.
She said, Shaïlah. I never tell them my last name on YouTube. So I'm gonna cut that out. But y'all, she said my full name. I can't. She said the police could turn on the volume speaker, whatever they have, and say
Shaïlah make me.
Put your hands behind your head. Come out slowly.
You're under
Sir, my
arrest.
friends are stupid.
You're under arrest for being the dumbest.
The dumbest.
Stop, dude! I'm gonna have a heart attack.
For
Don't
being
do
the
this to
most
me.
juiciest pum pum.
I'm gonna start crying. So. I'm too lit for this.
Yo, imagine I would like I would.
Yo,
cry.
I'll pass out. Forget about it.
I would be like, okay.
Yo, this bitch has me dying and I need some air. I'm
The
literally
window's
tearing.
really down.
No, it's done. I'm literally tearing. Hello.
Whose names are you calling?
I'm on
Talk about
video.
hello.
Him.
That's your man.
Oh, it's a past smoke.
You know, I hear her.
Smooth swings. She fire. Ooh. You know when you're in the backseat drunk as fuck? That's me right now.
I feel like I'm at Laurent.
Yo, the tickets are like $30. We should go.
Yo, my little
Girl, somebody got stuck
my little
for
sister
15 minutes.
buys season pass.
Me too. I was on the tornado and I was upside down for like 5 minutes.
I want to throw up everywhere.
That's 400.
We're about to go to the next Addy. We've been
Yeah,
to
it's
like
right here.
2 different Addies. We're in
it's
the
gonna
old
be
port,
debit,
Montreal.
so-
That's where it's like in the old Montreal. So it's like really old.
You need to call him to get inside.
A what?
Or you need to call him to get inside.
A what?
Call him to get inside.
Yeah. In the taxi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do
you have time?
Yes. Just put yeah, click one, and then put 15, and then
Okay,
yeah, I did.
974.
Stop. Thank you, sir. Have a good night. Merry Christmas. Ooh. Ooh, I see girls. What's up, girls? I see girls. What's up? Where you going? Where you going? Where's she going? What's up? Are you guys in here? Me too. I'm recording a video on that for YouTube. Y'all want to say hi to YouTube? Let's go. We met some friends. Y'all coming for me. I'm sorry. Like, yeah.
Literally yelling at each other, and I came in. I was like, "Yo, let me just get myself." And I was trying to get the
Was
plunger
it the
for the
little
bathroom.
small girl? The gray dress?
No, they were in the bathroom arguing. I was like, I literally just want to get my stuff. And I was like, bye, everybody. It was like,
Why is she out the car? Where did they come out the car?
okay, the Uber's here in 5 minutes. So
Someone messaged me.
Starting to get really annoyed now.
we're gonna drink. My vibe is like.
No, I understand. You want a drink?
I have alcohol, but I'm just not.
Look, it's a stand.
It's like 3:30.
Bitch, fuck it up.
I should have stayed home.
Oh my god.
Bust it, bitch. Get lit, bitch. Hey. So,
No, no.
From Montreal waistline.
No. I'm over it. Wrong sign. I wasted an outfit.
Jay knew. Congo Jay.
Hold on, I just
Hold on,
want
you
to
cool?
put my mask like around my.
Yo, I got new mask today. 5 masks for $5. I ordered that.
Great, Shaïlah.
I
I'm happy
ordered
to hear
5
that.
masks for $5. They're so cute. I did some with butterflies, flowers, this one, and match my outfit. You know what I'm saying? What? I forgot I was recording. And there's this like little hook that you can put on your thing. So if you take it off your face, it's gonna hang off the little hook behind your neck. Like you know glasses with the thing.
Okay, let's take a shot, bitch.
Baseline.
Oh, from the
Isn't
city.
that girl with red hair is named Shaïlah or something like that? I swear.
What?
The girl with red hair, is her name like Shaïlah or something? She didn't say that to me.
What's
I'm
up?
so happy
I'm in
Uber entry,
MTL.
so it just goes on my
I'm
card. and I
literally in the
don't have
middle of this building. This is like, look. I'm in the middle of these 4 walls.
to- What
Look.
building?
Look, the 4 walls. I'm in the middle of it. And it's
Yo,
like,
that guy's fucked up. for
welcome
real.
to the sweet hotel of
When he answers you, you better cuss
Zach
him
and
the
Cody.
fuck
Cuss
out.
him the fuck
What's
out.
it called? The sweet bait.
Sweet bait?
No. Come here. Come.
Yo, the police is gonna arrest you. For
No police,
doing
babes. Come
it. They're
here.
go-
I need to catch your reaction while I'm about to say it. So, you know, Sweet Life of Zach and Cody, the hotel? Yeah, it's the Sweet Life of Zach and Cody. Look, because I'm in the middle.
What hotel?
And it's lit. I kept hearing, I was like,
Yo, I don't know how you got Zach and Cody
Okay.
from this scenario.
I used to love
in
that
here.
show.
In here, it looks like.
That and Wizards of Waverly Place.
Yeah.
And
I had him on
Montana.
time.
I love Hannah Montana. Or That's So Raven.
You get
Man.
the best of
People
all
told me I
worlds.
always look like her. Wait, I want to take a shot too.
Hollis down, every shoe, every color. Yo, I used to love that song.
No cap.
Every shoe, every color.
And
like your famous, they could be
I'm a
kinda fun.
superstar. We get the
Best of both worlds.
Then I think it's all you
Then you rock
saw.
up the show. You get the best of both worlds.
Mix it all together and you know
I got the best of both worlds.
Yeah, come on. She always says that. Jane tried to kill me. Yo, I caught that on my camera.
You dumb. I can't believe I went to the Airbnb and people were arguing. That was so funny. I wish I would have came with me.
I can't believe the Airbnb of straight ugly niggas.
Yo!
Short niggas at that too.
I can't believe the Airbnb and don't ask the door.
Sad crowd, you need to tell them what's going on. Nobody got to the door. She said, Sean. That was say my gubby.
I'm at this point, I'm tired of niggas. I'm over it.
Niggas ain't shit.
I'm not going outside tomorrow, guys.
Oh my
I'm
God.
definitely going outside.
Go where? What move?
We should go eat somewhere.
What
What
moves?
the fuck is this?
We should go eat on this terrace.
Where are we gonna go tomorrow?
Three amigos.
Waste time again?
Senadita.
I'm good.
Oh,
The Uber
tonight.
caught a detour. I'm gonna cry.
My
Now it says 6
phone.
minutes again.
Don't trust Uber. Don't trust niggas.
Does he know we're coming for
Don't
real?
trust
He
nobody.
knows he's not bad, sir.
No, I would literally put the building on fire. I don't give a fuck. People are gonna come out and get us. I will punch people in their faces.
Stun me, bro.
Yeah, cute.
I'm not going through this again.
Your post on the floor.
Your poom poom on the floor.
Scan out, man. Home, home.
Okay.
You know what I need? I need Jesus.
Yeah, you do. Call him right now.
Hey, baby. I want to cuddle my cat. Love her even though she don't want to be loved.
She don't love you, Shaïlah.
She does.
Maybe
She don't
on
know
her
what she
good
loves.
days.
She trusts. She trusts me like nobody else.
I don't think she don't love nobody for real.
She does. She loves people. Shut up. You know you love people. You be difficult, so stop.
But I'm not
Stop.
a cat.
You're a human. That's
Like-
even worse.
You know you love people, but you can't stand their guts, right?
No, I can't really.
But
Yes,
I didn't do
you
shit
can.
to baby. Like,
Who do I love?
You know you love the person,
Yeah.
but you can't stand them.
No, can't really.
You're lying because if you didn't love these niggas, they wouldn't be around you.
I don't love them. I slightly like them. I tolerate them.
That's a lie.
I love their
Who do I love?
They were all your boyfriend at one point, right? You
They
love
all
them.
still is my boyfriend.
Exactly. So you love them. If they're staying in your lives,
I'm
it's because
like
you
in
love
like
them.
3 relationships. Who knows that?
Why is it not moving?
Do you know what I want to do one day?
No.
Take a picture on Instagram and post that I'm in a different city or a different country. Make people think that I'm actually
Is that
out
the
of
Uber?
No.
in New York.
Wait, maybe. It's the same. No, it's not that class.
There's nothing you can't do
Yo.
in New York.
Yo, I'm about to call this Uber and ask him why he's not moving.
I call him. Period. Niggas ain't
I'm
shit.
so tired of being outside for no reason.
I feel like going over here is gonna be a problem.
Go over where?
Over there.
Over where?
Over there. Oh, there's a car coming.
It's not moving. Is my Wi-Fi bugging? Like, what's going on?
I'm just over it.
This night is a wreck.
No cap.
What's new though? Like it's not
No
something new.
cap.
Tomorrow I'm not going outside.
I am.
It's gonna be the same story.
No,
I'm
I'm going
going.
outside, but I'm going to move directly.
Yeah,
like,
not
I'm
going no
not-
downtown
yeah.
or nothing.
Yeah, you're gonna go to a movie and it's gonna be fucking wild.
Hopefully not.
Tomorrow, that's why. Remember I was telling you that I feel like tomorrow's really gonna be worth it.
But what moves do you have for tomorrow?
A lot of people told me they're doing something tomorrow.
We'll see what they say tomorrow.
You spin my head around. Where you go? Where you go?
My head went.
Me too. I almost broke my neck. Remember the time we were listening to the song 2 times and we crashed into a car 2 times?
Yeah, so no, because my neck is smashed up for like a week.
My neck and my back. My neck. Not that.
It's not even gay.
It is not correct.
Go see your boo.
Sean Paul. Some of us I really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. So I gotta stick to my girls like glue. And I'm in play number 2.
I'm lit.
2.
Like, I'm already starting to become.
Listen, my taxi driver. He's driving us to our next Addy.
Everyone is yawning.
I can't breathe right now. I saw my mask off my face. We inside. We inside. We inside. We listening to music. We smoking. We drinking. Are you drinking? You smoking. Are you drinking though? You want some of my drink?
I need a light.
Here, I have a light in my hand. I just dropped it in. I can't. Light up this flame, fire, boom, boom.
Baby.
What's up, bro? Tiffany?
Yo, I can't. You better hold fast, cause
Yeah, Tiffany?
so fucking good. This night was bullshit, bro. The old part was kind of fun, but yo, after the old part,
Yeah, this is missions on
after the
missions.
old part, she just was fucking with me.
I'm lit as a motherfucking tit. My throat is busted. I need some juice. My head pounding. I can't believe I seen Alexa tonight. Yeah, right?
I
seen
should
him
have
before I
went to go talk
seen
to
you.
him, but I was scared. Cause he's psychotic.
He definitely seen you though.
He probably would have knocked me in the head or
He
something.
could have came to you too.
No, but he's vexing me because I told him I was gonna come see him and like I lied to him because he's psychotic. I'm not you. I will never be.
Aren't all niggas like exotic? Not exotic, psychotic. Yep.
No, some of them really just don't give a fuck. Some of them are psychotic.
Period. I'm gonna tell my head's pounding.
I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye. Say bye, Ty Brown. Niggas and shit. Like, everything I just witnessed just got me heated inside my mind. Like, what? No. That's how you're feeling? Yeah. I feel you. Ooh, the sun's out. Okay, I'm gonna take a snapshot. I'll see y'all home. Bye. Oh my god, good night, guys. Like, I'm over it. I'm about to go home now. Goodbye. Text me when you get home. Period. Bye. Bye. And you can just come out here on the right. Or yeah, right. And then go left. And it's gonna be all the way down until you reach the end left. And so I am home, guys. Baby's happy to see me. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, mommy. Hi. My baby. Oh, you just knocked your head on the phone. Say what's up. Oh, my baby. Get off my new table. Baby, what's up? Anyways, y'all. I'm dead as hell. I'm tired. Ooh, I need to go to sleep. Hey, baby. And that's what's up. I hope you guys have a great night or morning, wherever you're from, afternoon, wherever you're from, you know what I'm saying? I hope you just have a great time. I'm lit as hell. I'm about to go eat something and then go sleep, because if I don't eat, I might get sick. I need to eat something to take away the alcohol. You know what I'm saying? Baby's lit. Baby. Hi. What are you doing? Anyways, y'all, I'm motherfucking out. I'm lit as hell. I gotta fold all these clothes tomorrow. I have a whole bunch of clothes I need to fold. And I'm gonna see y'all next motherfucking video. I just hope I wasn't too much of a mess, because I know I'm a mess. But y'all enjoy it. I love y'all. And let's get to motherfucking 400 subscribers, please. Thank you. Have a great night. Merry Christmas. Bye, y'all.
DJ Shaï Shaï is in the building. Oh, there's so many fucking cops. Yo, oublie, au port right there. Cheese. We outside. Cheese. Nigga, he's outside. There's too much people. Bitches are going crazy. What kind of caca fireworks are these? Hold on, you gotta bust it for the snap though. Bend over, touch though. Ah! She's crazy. There's too much people for my life. Bust it? Bust it? Cock up on it, y'all. I hate you. You a spot! Oh my god. So we outside? We outside. We're free. Free the titties. Okay. Yo,
these potatoes, these patatas, bussin'.